Welcome to another episode of
Who Did It Better?
Today our contestants are
Organized Mom versus Flylady.
two wonderful cleaning experts who have both created their own cleaning routines that have helped thousands of women worldwide. But the question we want to know today is, who did it better? Let's jump in as we go through 14 rounds and continue to try to crack the case of how the heck do you manage a home?
Round 1. Dishes.
Organized Mom does not mention dishes in her routine at all. Flylady, on the other hand, has all of her newcomers start with shining the sink. She even says to empty the sink of dirty dishes just to shine it. She never specifically says to do the dishes, but shining the sink makes you feel accomplished and motivates you to wash the dishes, which I think that may be her idea behind it.
Who did it better? Flylady.
Organized Mom doesn't even mention dishes as something that needs to get done. And I believe that there's no household chore more important because they get out of control so quickly.
Round 2. Bathrooms.
Organized Mom has you cleaning the bathrooms every day for 5 minutes or less. She doesn't want you cleaning the entire bathroom daily, but rather has you change it up. One day you may clean the floors, the next you might clean the shower. Her idea is that you do a little each day, and then by the end of the week, your bathroom should be clean and should always be clean from there on out. Additionally, she has you deep clean the bathrooms every other month during her Friday focus. Flylady has you cleaning the bathrooms daily as well, but specifically only the sinks and toilets. She calls this a swish and swipe. Every day you take a minute to wipe down the sinks and toilets and give the toilet a quick swish. By doing this daily, you never have to worry about having a dirty toilet or sink. She also has you deep cleaning the bathrooms once a month during her zone cleaning.
Who did it better? Organized Mom.
While Flylady's way of cleaning the bathroom has brought me a lot of success, I still like Organized Mom's way better because then you're getting your entire bathroom cleaned weekly instead of just the sinks and toilets. Now we're taking care of the shower and floors too, which can get dirty pretty fast.
Round 3. Deep cleaning.
Organized Mom has you deep cleaning every Friday in her Friday focus. This is where she sets 30 minutes apart on Fridays for you to cycle through 8 weeks of different rooms to clean. So for example, week 1 is the kids' rooms, meaning you'll spend Friday cleaning your kids' room for 30 minutes. Week 2 is the living room, where you'll spend 30 minutes the next Friday cleaning the living room. In this, you'll be deep cleaning your house once every other month. Flylady rather has you completing these deep cleaning tasks daily for 15 minutes a day in what she calls zone cleaning. Each week of the month is a different zone of the house with a total of 5 zones. For example, for the second week of the month, you would clean the kitchen every day for 15 minutes a day. By the end of the week, you would have spent 1 hour and 45 minutes cleaning the kitchen before moving on to the next zone.
Who did it better? Flylady.
I like Flylady's way better because it's less intimidating but gets your home more clean, since 15 minutes a day for 7 days adds up to almost 2 hours a week. 30 minutes to deep clean can feel intimidating, making me less likely to start. I can do 15 minutes, that's nothing. But 30? Do I have that kind of time? I don't know.
Round 4. Kitchen.
Organized Mom has you cleaning the kitchen every Thursday for 30 minutes. Flylady has you cleaning the kitchen during her zone cleaning. Therefore, you would be cleaning your kitchen for a full week, once a month in 15-minute increments a day.
Who did it better? Organized Mom.
The kitchen is one of the dirtiest rooms in the house. It needs to be cleaned more often than not. Making it a weekly task is best in my opinion.
Round 5. Dusting, vacuuming, and mopping.
Organized Mom has you sweeping the main traffic areas daily and mopping once a week. She also has you completing these 3 tasks every day in her Monday through Thursday 30-minute room cleans, where you would be dusting, sweeping, and mopping in the living room, bedrooms, entrance hall, and kitchen. Flylady has you dusting, sweeping, and mopping the main traffic areas in her weekly home blessing once a week. So every Monday you would spend only 1 hour completing these tasks and a few more using a timer, allotting 10 minutes per task, ultimately completing your dust, sweep, and mop in only 30 minutes. The additional rooms of your house, such as the bedrooms, would get swept and mopped during zone cleanings, which are completed once a month.
Who did it better? Flylady.
Flylady's weekly home blessing is genius. Why dust, sweep, and mop in 3 separate days when I can complete them all in just 1 hour in 1 day? Although I will say, if you have dogs or children, then yeah, you may need to sweep every day. But Flylady wins this one because her weekly home blessing is the best thing that's ever happened to my home. Whoever can get the job done in the least amount of time wins in my book, because as a mom, time is very precious.
Round 6. Organization.
Organized Mom is very organized. I mean, I would hope so. She is the Organized Mom. Her website is beautiful, her printables are spacious and easy to read and use. Everything is laid out for you in such a way that you will not feel overwhelmed getting started. Flylady, on the other hand, when one may find themselves on her website,
people are having panic attacks. Relax, take a deep breath.
Not organized at all. It is overwhelming. A lot of people don't even want to get started because they take one look at her website and, well, you remember.
People are having panic attacks.
Who did it better? Organized Mom.
I do hope that one day Flylady redoes her website because she really has an amazing cleaning system that has changed the lives of many women, and it would be nice to have an easy way to access it.
Round 7. Clutter.
Organized Mom has you decluttering on Fridays as a part of her Friday focus. Flylady schedules decluttering during her zone cleaning, which would leave you decluttering daily for up to 15 minutes a day. But she also has you spending 2 minutes each day tackling the clutter on our hot spots, which is just a fancy word for flat surfaces that accumulate stuff.
Who did it better? Flylady.
There is so much stuff in our homes, and how can we keep our house clean when all of our stuff is in the way? Regular decluttering is a must if we want to have a clean home. You can't clean the floor if you can't see the floor.
Round 8. Bedrooms.
Organized Mom has you cleaning bedrooms every Tuesday, while Flylady has you cleaning bedrooms 1 week a month during her zone cleaning. And both of these ladies have you making your bed every day.
Who did it better? Flylady.
There's no reason our bedrooms need to be cleaned weekly, unless you have a teenager who spends all their time in it or a messy toddler. Otherwise, the bedrooms just aren't a room that get as dirty as, say, your kitchen or living room. Most of us just use our bedrooms for sleep. I don't feel like they get that dirty week to week.
Round 9. Easiest to start.
Organized Mom has 4 daily tasks and a task for each day of the week. She provides printables that show those tasks, and it's very easy to get started. I wouldn't be overwhelmed at all if I was starting her system tomorrow. Flylady's routine, on the other hand, can be intimidating to start. Although she does guide you by giving you the first task of shining your sink, and that does help many women to feel accomplished and motivated.
Who did it better? Organized Mom.
Flylady may give you a specific starting point, but after your sink is shiny, you may feel confused on where to go next, and just looking at her daily list of 19 tasks can overwhelm and possibly discourage someone from continuing. Though I will say that not all 19 tasks are actually tasks. Many of them are there to encourage self-care, such as brushing your teeth, drinking water, and going to bed at a decent hour.
Round 10. Cleanest home.
Organized Mom made sure my kitchen was in great shape. Bedrooms even better. Bathrooms were beautiful top to bottom, and the floors were always swept. Oh, and don't forget about the entryway. Spotless. Flylady's system also made my home very clean. The weekly home blessing kept things company ready. The swish and swipe made it so I didn't have to be afraid to let someone use my bathroom. Getting dressed to shoes motivated me to clean more.
Who did it better? Flylady.
Flylady has better priorities. Bedrooms don't need to be cleaned every week, and Wednesdays don't need to be dedicated to cleaning the entryway. It's a waste of time when the dishes are piling up and my counters are covered in papers. Whenever I've done Flylady, my house has been ridiculously clean. More clean than it's ever been with any other system. There's something about her way of doing a little here and there with the use of timers that motivates me and gets things done. It's the way she lets go of perfection. So what if you get half the living room mopped? We can't spend 25 minutes mopping. There's too much to be done around the house, and even with just doing a little. My home feels so much cleaner when I'm on the Flylady system. I couldn't tell you why.
Round 11. Speed.
Organized Mom claims that her routine takes 45 minutes a day, 15 minutes being spent on her daily tasks of sweeping, making the bed, doing a load of laundry, and her 5-minute bathroom clean. I'd say this would be correct if laundry wasn't involved. So I'm going to call this 25 minutes to account for the 10 minutes it will likely take you to fold and put away the small load of laundry. And then the other 30 minutes are devoted to her weekly tasks of cleaning a different room each day. So 55 minutes total. Flylady has you zone cleaning for 15 minutes a day and cleaning in your hotspot daily for 2 minutes. And then between her daily tasks of making the bed, the swish and swipe of the sinks and toilets, emptying the dishwasher, shining the sink, doing a load of laundry, and lying things out by the launch pad, I'd say this would all take about 35 minutes. Although I don't know if I want to count the dishes as a part of this because Organized Mom doesn't even mention dishes and it's obviously a task that should be mentioned. So why don't we call this 25 minutes and disregard the dishes for this comparison? And then the weekly tasks depend on the day.
Who did it better? Flylady.
Flylady is all about speed. Set a timer for 15 minutes and zone clean. Set a timer for 2 minutes and clear your hotspot. Set a timer for 1 hour and sweep, dust, mop, change the garbages, change your sheets, perch paper, and clean the windows. Clean the sink after you finish your makeup. Her entire system revolves around speed and cleaning in the least amount of time possible.
Round 12. Originality.
Organized Mom's Friday focus is unique in the way that she sets aside a specific day for deep cleaning tasks and uses an 8-week cycle through different areas of the home. Many cleaning routines don't have a specific time schedule for deep cleaning, but have more of a get to it when you get to it attitude. She also has you clean a different room each day of the week. Flylady is unique in the way she focuses on self-care. I've never seen a cleaning routine before that tells me to brush my teeth or to eat breakfast. But she recognizes that if we aren't our best self, then how can we have our home be at its best? Her weekly home blessing is also very unique, where she tells us it's okay to not mop the house perfectly. Just do what you can in 10 minutes, and if it doesn't get done, oh well, you'll get it next week. Her weekly routine is also different than others, where she has car and purse cleanout day and anti-procrastination day.
Who did it better? Flylady.
Flylady makes me feel cared for, and that is more unique than anything in the world. She is essentially a businesswoman, but we're more than a dollar sign to her. We matter, and she truly wants the best for us. And that, my friend, is true originality.
Round 13. Multitasking.
Who has the better system for cleaning while multitasking, including the ability to clean while cooking, caring for kids, and working from home? Organized Mom has 4 daily tasks that's limited to 15 to 25 minutes a day. And then she has you dedicate 30 minutes a day to cleaning a different room. Flylady's list of daily tasks can feel long and intimidating, but she has you do things like lay out your clothes the night before, put things you need by the door for tomorrow, find your keys so you're not running around looking for them the next day. A swish and swipe of the toilet where she encourages you to do it while you're in there after you finish your makeup and hair. Asking yourself what's for dinner in the afternoon so you can prepare, and more.
Who did it better? Flylady.
Flylady recognizes that we have kids, jobs, and lives, and she puts things in their routine that directly reflect that. She encourages you to do things like emptying the dishwasher while your coffee is brewing and cleaning the shower while you're taking a shower. She's all about multitasking. And on to the final round, with the final question that we all want to know. Whoa. This one is worth 3 points.
Round 14. Which cleaning system is better for working mothers?
Dun 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 dun. Okay. Organized Mom's system is easy to start, laid out for you plainly, and doesn't have too many tasks. You will spend around 55 minutes cleaning a day between her daily and weekly tasks. Flyladies can feel a little overwhelming at first, and a working mom may not feel like they can do it because there are afternoon tasks. But of course, these afternoon tasks can be easily omitted because they aren't even really cleaning tasks, but just a list that tells you to exercise and drink your water. And a lot of working moms here on YouTube have come to me and said that Flyladies' routine is too much for them while they're working.
Who did it better? Organized Mom.
While Flyladies' routine gets your home much cleaner, in my opinion, Organized Mom's routine is better for working moms. Why? Because it's much more manageable with a crazy schedule. Flyladies' system is great, but it can feel overwhelming to a mom who's working full-time. Organized Mom's system is already laid out for you, so you don't need to take time to learn the system. You can start right away and already know your time limits. I think if you started with Flylady and got the steps down, and then got a job when you already understood the system, then in that case, I would say Flylady. But if you're already working and looking to learn a new routine, then Organized Mom is probably for you. All right, let's count up the points and see who won.
The results are in. Organized Mom received 7 points. Flylady received 9 points. And the winner is Flylady.
And that ends our game show. Thanks for watching, and hey, if you missed episode 1, click here to watch it, where Organized Mom goes head-to-head against Clean Mama in Who Did It Better? I'll see you soon.